Hey guys! So you guys know that I haven't been posting for like half a year. I am very sorry for not posting. I didn't want to play Toca Boca anymore and I just want to play Roblox now. I'm sorry for switching up my account to Roblox videos. I will try to post Toca Boca, but most will be Roblox videos. And I was just 8 when I played Toca Boca. And when I made this account, and yes, age reveal all. And now I will be 11. I know I'm not yet a teenager of not liking Toca Boca now. But sometimes people change. I'm sorry guys, I hope you can accept that and I will try to post a lot now. And I will be posting Adopt Me, Murder Mystery, etc. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna post a lot of vids of those lol. Anyways, here's an up-A of my inventory in Adopt Me. I played this a couple of days ago, but I didn't upgrade it much. I don't really know why the sound got removed, but oh well. I'm so rich. I don't have any legendary pets. Eggs are legendary, some of them, but like not eggs. If you get me, thank you so much. And guys, thank you so much for 44.3 thousand subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. That's all guys. Thank you for watching 30